so.
Okay, so today I thought it might be fun to do a quick video about my pre-run and or ride routine and some tips on winter riding gear and how to thermoregulate. And then Gertrude and I are going to go to ABRACADABRA Coffee, the ABRACADABRA coffee shop, and get some coffee and show you guys that spot because they're good friends of ours, and if you're here on the weekend on Saturday or Sunday, it's a great place to go and get some caffeine. So yeah, let's get into it. Yes. Dressing for winter riding or running or just winter exercise in general. If you would kindly hold that. Thank you, Gertrude. So I wear cycling stuff for pretty much everything because that's what I have from my history in sport, but I normally wear like a thermal bib tight. A tight underlayer is super important, like Smart Wool, you know, whatever brand you go with, just get like a tight either wool or high-tech underlayer. And then as far as layering, I'll normally go like a thin fleecy long sleeve of some sort. And so the idea is the underlayer wicks the sweat from you as you're exercising, and then the fleecy underlayer keeps you warm, and then you want something like a shell to protect you from the elements. So I go with like a super lightweight wind and rain shell, and I'm a big fan of ones with vents so that you can like thermoregulate when you're out there. And then a nice thin hat of some sort. I'm a big fan of Sita, so I'll do a thin running hat. And then I've been preaching these forever, but my favorite gloves ever, the Kinko gloves. These things are awesome. The idea is you want to be a little cold when you start exercising because 15-20 minutes in you'll actually get warm. So if you start out a little bit cold and 15-20 minutes down the road you feel warm and you're ready to go. So always aim for a little bit chilly in the start. Look how salty my shoes are. People salt the roads a lot in Vermont. Oh, it's cold. Cold. Apologies for the loss in quality, but we switched to the iPhone. My GoPro died because it's cold out. It's like 19 degrees. Yeah, running. Why is Ansel Dickey running? I adopted running, I want to say in the fall last year when I separated my shoulder mountain biking and I was out for a while, and I just started running because that was the only form of aerobic exercise that didn't hurt my shoulder. Riding the bike hurt my shoulder, and I just fell in love with it. I still love biking, and I still train on the bike, but I think running is like the little something extra, the secret juice that allows you to become a little bit more fit.
So out of shape.
I think it was a great run. We are gonna get changed and head to ABRACADABRA. So, head of the coffee shop, Abracadabra Coffee Co. These guys have been friends of ours for a really long time. We met them a couple years ago when they were selling their coffee at the local farmers markets around Vermont, and their coffee is amazing. And they have this tiny little hole-in-the-wall cafe where they also roast their coffee here in Woodstock. They're only open Saturdays and Sundays, but I have a feeling it might be kind of crowded today because today is the first day of, or second day of winter break for pretty much everybody, so. All right. Locked. You're probably wondering why Peter is not in this vlog.
Yeah, where are you, Peter? Good question.
Peter is up at Winter Romp in Maine right now, which is a yearly Land Rover only event, and he's been doing it for years. I've never actually been, but it looks like a ton of fun. But I thought it would be, just to keep the content rolling, I thought it would be fun to do a vlog of us bumbling around Woodstock. Abracadabra. Oh, okay. Awesome. Got back from Abracadabra, sufficiently caffeinated and fed some delicious tacos. Yeah, if you're ever in town and on a Saturday or Sunday and want some great coffee and great food, check it out. I'll link everything below. If you like this vlog, do us a favor and hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, we will see you in the next vlog.